any surface that needs to be reduced, right? So let's see. Main switch, read switch, and then we will use the second one that is for the suction, the vacuum. We need to open up all. And then the third one, which is for the sanding belt. Right. So you want to hold, so when I want to sand this area here, I need to hold the base of my shoe last, hold on tight, and then you press the tip, the area that you want to sand against the belt. Alright, and you rotate as and when you want to sand. And you're done. Right, so once you have done sanding, you turn on the machine. And if you want to clean up your remove some of the dust, you can turn on the fourth one.